So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cameron. Just a quick video today. I'm going to quickly check the splits that I did last week, make sure that everything's in order and they're at the point where they should be. If you watched the last video, you'll know that when I did the split I accidentally moved the queen over, so this hive is queen right, so I'm just going to take a quick look and make sure they've got resources to get them through another couple of weeks. So let's see how she's doing. Let's see how happy they are to see me. Girls, good afternoon. How you diddling? Yeah, it's me. It's me. I've been before. That's cool enough. Alright, let's make some room. Calm down, girls, it's only me. It's only me. Alright, so you started on that side of the comb. That's a good sign. Little girl. Sorry, girls. I'm a bit fingers and thumbs, aren't I? Alright, well, yeah, they're doing what they should be doing. Queen's laying. They've got a supersedure cup there with royal. Oop, nearly dropped you girls. That'd have been fun, wouldn't it? Got royal jelly in that supersedure cup. What's the matter with you girls? You don't like her? Well, I think I just saw her. Was that a drone? I bought a pair of spectacles just for this and I don't have them on. So as I saw, it must have been a drone. Nice yellow pollen coming in. Nice yellow pollen, can you see it? No, I'm not seeing. Well, they've got food there. I was looking for food. They've got food. Yeah, both sides. I didn't look in that other one for food, did I? Yeah. Okay. All right, girls. That's some big pollen. Out the way, fatty. Well, I'm not into that Burcombe BS you've got going on, girls. No. You've got some more honey there. Yeah, they've got pollen resources. I'm seeing drones resources, and she's laying, so I don't know what you're going on there, girls. Break every time. I mean, I gave you a nice comb. I did. Now you're filling up Burcombe with honey, you mentalists. Oh, well. Let me checkerboard her. Checkerboarding. I'm going to put an empty cell in between see if I can get a shot of this. This is how they build. That's super cool. Alright girls, let me get you a frame in between you. Oh well, you're gonna have to move, girl. Nice and gentle. So she is doing fine. They've got food and stuff. Alright girls, I'll leave you alone. You were awesome. You were. Thanks for being kind. Right, let's move on to the other 4 because I split a split. Let's go over there. So this one, guys, I checked this one after about 24 hours, 48 hours of splitting it, and they had 11 really good looking queen cells. So I was lucky that they weren't all on one frame. So I split this split. I took one of the frames and the bees with some of the queen cups on and put it into another, and then gave them some resources from the bigger hives. So now they're fired up already. Let's see. They're noisy. Girls, good afternoon. You're doing a great job of drawing that comb out. Yeah. Alright, noisy girls. What are you doing? Oh, that's an open cup on that side. Building more queen cells. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, and they've got larvae in the bottom. Might be able to split these girls again. Yeah, they're going to make three good-looking queen cups again. They had a. Need to mark that. Really? Have I got my pen on me? No, I haven't. Oh well, I know it's the second from the left, looking to the camera. That's how I'll remember. Okay, you're doing a good job there, girls. I did check aboard these girls. Getting some honey in, or nectar. Alright, little girl. It's just me. Okay. A little bit of food there. Not much on that one. I might have to continue feeding these girls. There's my good queen cups. Yeah, we've got 4 queen cups on this frame. 1, 2, 3 on this side, 4, 5, and they're all good looking queen cups. They're all closed. What I'm going to try and do is 5, 6. So they've got 6 queen cups that are completely closed and 3 new ones. I'm not going to do anything with them yet because they're smarter than me. They know why they're making more queen cups. Maybe that they realised I took those others. But they're good looking queen cups. They're not elongated. If they really elongated, it doesn't always mean you've got a great queen. It means that the pupa might have detached away at some point. So you're not really looking for huge queen cells, just, you know, normal size ones. Right, so all the queen cups are on that side, so let's go put you in like that, girls. Move you girls back over there. You back over there. And you there. And I know where those open queen cups are. Second from the left. Alright girls, looks like you're doing alright. So I'm going to go to the split that I created from here. Make sure they're doing alright. They're only 2 down. I'll move you across. Lacking food. It'll help if you take the brick off, Cameron. Good idea. So I think I gave these girls 3 really good looking queen cups. Let's see what they're let's see what they made of it. Right, it's just me. Get off my leg. No, they're not happy. Girls, simmer down. Nothing to be afraid of. So number 1, well, it's not number 1, but the one I just did, they did calm down. There's some nice brood girls, I'll say that. Start with that one. Kill myself with that smoker. It's all shiny and new because The bellows gave up the ghost on my other one. Girls, that is an enormous. I'll try and zoom in, but they have an enormous queen cup. What are you planning on? Putting 2 in there? There's nothing in it. I've never seen one that spread out. Queen cups that I gave you must be on here. Alright, got some honey, that's a good start. I missed those queen cups on a different frame. You're gonna have to remember to bring your glasses with you, Cameron. Yeah, I know. Chin. Oh, there they are. Okay. We've still got 2 good looking queen cups there. Steady, Cameron. Gentle with the ladies. Alright, girls. You've got a little bit of resources. Got a little bit of resources. I'll keep an eye on you. I'll make sure you don't starve, trust me. Alright, let's move on. 2 more. So this is the first year I've had these plastic nukes, so I'm still getting used to how to open them, close them, stuff. Right, girls. Crikey, that orange peel's smoky today. Alright, girls, it's all in me. I didn't check aboard you girls, did I? Definitely do that today. One, 2 queen cups capped, and they've built 3 more. One's got larvae in the bottom, one's open. Nothing in themselves. So you just can't hear, but all of these that I've opened up immediately been noisy, but they're getting used to me being in there. I'm going to explode real quickly because this is a full frame of brood both sides. I'll be filling these 5 frames up in the next couple of weeks. Run away, fatty. And there's another frame of brood. Yeah, they're going to go bing bong any minute. There's some lovely yellow. Don't go over the other side. Go what? She doesn't know where she wants to be. Yeah, they're gonna two on the top there, just having a little chat. Oh, a little bee. And this is their stores. They've got, yeah, they got some honey. So these are girls are ready to go bang or pop. What am I getting stuck on something? Oh, there we go. Alright, girls. She's doing bloody lovely. Giving your sugar water back. I do like this design because you can recycle your bottles. They fit perfectly. This let me show you on this one. Oh, razor blade, don't want to lose that. All you do inside, and there's instructions inside here, is you just cut away these slots with a razor blade, and then your bottle fits in perfectly. Alright, one last one. Make sure these girls are doing alright. So I'm going to leave the entrance feeders in, and the reason being is that while they're a small colony, it will keep that entrance just a little more, just a little smaller, so that they can protect the entrance a little bit easier while they're a small colony. Girls, you look real busy. You do. And you're quiet. Alright, girls. Let's see how quiet you are when I start poking around. I'm seeing straight away the queen cup with nothing in it. These girls are chilled compared to the rest of them. They are. Saying that, one will come up and bite me. You just realised I'm here? Yeah, you have. So I smoke my hands because it messes up with their pheromone when I'm working without gloves on. And every now and again I'll check that smoke, because sometimes as your smoke is burning through, it can get a little bit hot and it can scorch the bee's wings. So just be mindful of your smoker. We've got some bee bread. There it goes, everybody doing the wiggle dance. They're bringing in sugar water and pollen. Everybody's dancing. I think that might be the idiot's ear dance. Might be. Do like this new design. I like this. For a new beekeeper, I started off with the standard one, then I got the J hook, but for new beekeepers I would recommend 100% get one like this, because getting the frames apart, you can do it much smoother and it's more efficient getting the frames apart, and you can even pick the frame up with it. It's got a bit longer than the J hook, so if you're a new beekeeper and you want to make your life easier, these little tips will help you. Like everybody, like a lot of people, I bought a whole kit. You're a big drone girl, boy. Oh, he's a big lad. No, it's not the Queen. See your queen cooks. There's one. Nice looking. So far, girls, you've been by far the best behaved. You are. The other girls were a bit, hey, who are you? What's going on? The girls seem to be a little bit more chillaxed. Again, these are about to explode. Full frame of brood. Not seeing much food, girls. I'll have to keep feeding you as well. We got some in the middle there. It doesn't look like doing anything. Get off my leg. Anything on here yet? No. This is the chill out frame. Just hanging out, doing nothing. Get back to work. Break's over. Come on, girls. So, little loose, a little low these last two on resources. All right. Cup all on its own. Doing nothing with it. Oh yeah, this is for some reason this is really tight. I must have messed up somewhere on a cut, because this hive's really tight closed. All right, girls. Looks like you're doing all right. Well, that's all I've got for you today, guys. Once again, thank you for all your subscriptions this week, comments and likes. We really do appreciate you. Don't forget to, if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button, and it's absolutely free to do so. Boom. Hit the notification button so you know when we put new videos out. In the meantime, I will see you on the next video.